Hello class!
Hello, teacher!
Let's learn about farm animals today, okay?
Okay.
Let's start. What animal is this?
Pig.
Okay, so you need to raise your hand, okay? Candy.
Pig.
Good job. Mary.
Pig.
Next one. What animal is this? Raise your hand.
Horse.
You please.
Cat.
Good job. Horse.
Horse.
Okay, next. What animal is this? Raise your hand. Mary, quick.
Duck.
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 Good job. Sarah.
Duck.
Next one. What animal is this? Ooh, candy. Quack. Quick. Okay, so rooster.
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 Say it.
Rooster.
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 Good job. What animal is this? Raise your hand.
Chicken.
Okay, can call it chicken. Oh, how about you? What do you want?
Chicken.
You can call it hen or chicken, okay? Andy?
Hen.
Good job. Next one. What animal is this, everyone? Sarah. You can
Cow.
say everyone. Say it all together. Cow. Good job. But next one. What animal is this? Raise your hand. No saying. Oh, Lucy. What animal is this? Sheep.
Sheep.
Everyone, sheep.
Sheep.
Next one. This is okay. Everyone knows Mary.
Duck.
Dog.
Dog.
Good job. Next one. Kenny.
Donkey.
Good job. Donkey.
Donkey.
Next one. What animal is this? Goat. Okay, good job. So the funny class. Sarah.
Rabbit.
Good job. Oh, okay. I think that's all. Okay, I think that's all. Now, how about we play a game? Where did I put that?
No, this next game I'm going to understand. You will go around and then we'll say wheels in the bus. When you hear the hammer, you have to sit on the chair. He doesn't sit on the chair. Boing! A hammer goes in their hand. And then they have to take this hammer. When I read rabbit, you say rabbit. Or I say cow, you say cow. Like that, okay? Yeah. Okay, now go. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round,
Today your class learned really good. You have some attention. I will give you presents. So let's start with the youngest. Lucy. You are the youngest. So you get to first. Here is your star. Good job. Good job. Now, I will give you green candy. Mary, you are going next. Here is sticker, and here is your. I'll give you the green one too. Say, good job. Candy, you're next. So I will pick you. Good job. You have this. And you have this green one too. Please. Sarah. Good job. You did really good today and you were really active.